Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A8 and a tractor. We'll explore their primary functions and why one might be chosen over the other, depending on your specific needs. Understanding their distinct design philosophies will help clarify which vehicle is truly better for different applications. This comparison will highlight their unique strengths and intended environments. The Audi A8 is engineered for the open road, providing an exceptionally smooth and quiet driving experience. Its luxurious interior, packed with advanced technology, ensures maximum comfort for both driver and passengers. With impressive acceleration and top speeds often exceeding 150 miles per hour, it's ideal for long-distance travel and daily commutes, offering superior fuel efficiency compared to a tractor. Conversely, a tractor is a powerhouse built for demanding agricultural and construction work. It delivers immense torque, making it indispensable for tasks like plowing fields, planting crops, and harvesting. Its robust design allows it to operate with a wide array of attachments, from tillers to loaders. High ground clearance ensures it can navigate challenging, uneven terrain with ease. Ultimately, the choice between an Audi A8 and a tractor hinges entirely on your specific requirements. If you need a comfortable, fast, and efficient vehicle for road travel and daily commuting, the Audi A8 is your ideal choice. However, for heavy-duty work, farming, or navigating challenging off-road conditions, a tractor is the undisputed champion. Each is perfectly designed for its intended purpose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.